Namaskar, students. I hope you are all safe and healthy. I would like to congratulate all of you for getting promoted to your final year of post graduation. I will be taking care of PEN 3801 World Drama paper. There are 5 units in our paper. The first unit is the essay by Martin Esslin, Theatre of the Absurd. Martin Esslin has discussed various characteristics of an absurd drama in this essay. The next unit we have is about the famous Irish dramatist Samuel Beckett's Waiting for Godot. Next unit, we have the book Modern American Drama. We will only be discussing 2 sections in this book, Introduction and the chapter on Arthur Miller. In the same unit, we have Arthur Miller's drama, All My Sons. Unit 4, we have the drama of the Kenyan dramatist Ngugi wa Thiong'o's I Will Marry When I Want. And we have 5 acquaintances in our syllabus. Students, I request all of you to upload 2 assignments after you watch this video. The first is you need to record your audio and upload the file explaining what is a drama. Please try to keep the explanation simple and whatever you have understood till now about what is a drama. Do not exceed more than 2 minutes. What I will do is that once I have received all your responses, I will collate all the audios and share it with us on the Moodle platform. The second assignment that you should do is make a PowerPoint presentation on any non-Indian, Asian or an Australian drama. The reason why I'm emphasizing on an Asian or an Australian drama is because we have a European drama, an American drama, and also an African drama in our course. So try to focus on any Asian but non-Indian drama. Your PowerPoint presentation should include plot, character, and themes. I will next be beginning with the essay, Theatre of the Absurd by Martin Esslin. I will be sharing the soft copies of all the texts which are prescribed in our syllabus. In case if you have any feedback, queries or suggestions, please post it on the Moodle platform. Thank you and take care, students.